Well, what up everyone, it's your favorite boy again, JG Tech Nerd, coming with another banger to you. So nothing more than that, episode 3 of reviewing Battlestation on Reddit. Let's get into it. Let's go. Let's start with number 1 out of this. This is a setup right here from Robo. I'm just gonna call you Rob. Soon I gotta fix these cables. What cables are you talking about? Let's get closer to it, shall we? We got some nice speakers. Ooh, I already should keep. Ouch. That will get down to the point. Then we got the cable under there. I love cables. You gotta fix that, bro. He gotta fix that. He gotta fix that. Like really, he gotta fix that. Emotional, damn it. So nothing more than that. You got a blue mic. You got a lovely chair. You got 2 Apple products. Wireless charging to both the iPhone you have and Apple Watch. Very nice, a combo in that. Fucking, I love that awesome keyboard. I know I'm saying bad words, but it is what it is. And 2 awesome speakers in white right directly into you, so you get the best sound ever. Got 2 screens, one horizontal, 1 vertical. The mic coming over with an arm, coming over your screen. Very nice. Mousepad, 2 small gaming. We got a headset. We got the PC. Under looks like maybe the PC need to be cleaned, bro. Maybe the PC need to get cleaned. Rob. Otherwise than that, great, awesome setup, Rob. I will give you actually, I will give you 7 out of 10. Very nice. I would definitely also love to have that setup. So a 7 out of 10 to you, Rob. Then we have Proof Puppy coming with a Starfield-based setup around Starfield, the new Starfield game. If you not tried it, I have. It's awesome, it's great, but it's goddamn hard to run. So let's get into it. My Starfield base station for the past 2 weeks, no complaints so far. Very nice. Then let's get in closer. If we see any cables or any mystery that will go down the points. Overall, I love it. Cozy, relaxing. I will say it's a lot more cleaner and a lot more organized than Rob was. Overall, very nice setup. We got 2 speakers in black facing right in front of you. Looks like a high ground keyboard, Logitech mouse, and a F1 mousepad or F1 car on a mousepad. The new Elgato Green Deck Plus, a notepad, Note Magic, Note 1 where you probably is connected to the PC, then you write something in a note on that. A pencil, a big box to pencils, 2 monitors, 1 horizontal in curved and 1 vertical also curved. Going around with the wooden and black theme, a little bit of white, but overall just black and wooden color. I like it. Got a big banger mic, big sure mic, and we got a Logitech headset as well. Looks like it is not the white one, it is the cabled one. If I'm not mistaken, we got an iPhone 2 in the right position. Very nice. A mid something to control light, and overall a light bar above your main monitor. Then we have the PC to the side, but overall nice setup. It's definitely looking better and more simple. And overall, I actually like that. I like this more. You would give an 8 out of 10. It could be better, but I will give you 8 out of 10 because I would love to see more of the setup. But so far, what I am seeing of this setup, 8 out of 10 to you. Then we come in with the cozy banger, the cozy room, the cozy vibe, the cozy setup, comfy room. Oh, sorry. Comfy vibe, comfy setup, cozy. I would say comfy, cozy is the same thing. But let's get closer into the picture. Closer in. Well, here we got it. We got some Pokemon. A lot of Pokemon. You looks like you like Pokemon. You like Pokemon. You like Mario. It's me. It's Luigi. Oh, sorry. Me. It's Mario. Yahoo! We got an Xbox. We got a PlayStation. We got a Switch. We got a lot of controllers. A lot. Nice to hang them up. It looks very nice. A lot of custom keyboards. So well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 custom keyboards. We got some white mouse, a white headset, a webcam, some Minecraft heart. Is that Minecraft heart? I am not so sure, but it looks like a nice, awesome TV in the center, PC on the ground. At least it's not on a mat, but on a wooden floor. That helps it, but still, if you can't get it up, it would be nice so it doesn't get choked full of dust. Because all dust blows down and lay down the ground. Overall, very nice setup. Don't see a lot of cables, so very clean looking. But overall, yes, if you say it's a comfy, it is a comfy and a cozy ass vibe. Cozy ass setup, cozy ass room, comfy ass setup, and room to this lovely, I don't remember your name, Undercover. Undercover is running comfy and cozy, very nice. Overall, great setup. I would give it an 8.5 to you. 8.5 to you, comfy, cozy setup from Underground on Reddit Battlestation. Then we come to probably one of my favorites, one of my favorite color theme as well. I have the same case, the same graphics card, some of the same stuff. Overall, this is my favorite setup so far. So updated from Foxy, sorry if I'm not saying the name correct, but Foxy here from Reddit, updated setup. But let's get in closer to it. Nothing minor that, let's get closer into it. I love the vibe, have the same case, have the same graphics card made by Gigabyte Vision, Gigabyte, but it's the Vision version. Hyte 60, banger hit, banger case. Microphone have the same banger microphone. A custom keyboards overall running the right, white and blue and pink theme. Love it, favorite so far, Phoenix. So we got some 4 custom keyboards made, very nice. We got one main monitor running probably Windows 11 if I'm not mistaken. We got a Logitech headset and a keyboard, a camera, got a Stream Deck White edition. We got a custom Overwatch gun if I'm not mistaken, some nano leaf and keycaps and switches in boxes, wrist rest to your wrist, and a headphone hanger from Razer to hang the headset, a monitor arm to one monitor, and then a small one also held by something. I like it, but overall very nice. Minor cable adjustments, but overall great ass setup. It is a 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10 if it would have those cable also clean a little bit out and that one, but overall a 9 out of 10. So it's the one of the highest score to you, Benq. That was all. So nothing minor that. If you did like this video, of course, smash the like button. And I love when you smash the like button, yes. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video of my favorite banger-langer videos coming out to you. And news on my shoulders, of course. Then comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Would mean the world to me. Comment down below what I could do better or what video you have ideas to. Nothing minor that. JG Tech Nerd is signing out. Peace out, much up. Bye bye.
My name is Jeff.